Before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm just going to update you on my first week earnings, and I'm also going to walk you through setting up your branch app to be paid through Walmart Spark. Okay, and when I'm done setting this up, you're going to actually see me request my payment, or what they call in the app as move your money to your bank account or to a debit card, whatever you want to move it to. They have several options, and you'll see that once I walk you through it. But before we get into that, if you would like to know your FICO scores and what's in your reports with all three bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your time using your vehicle, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a car or you don't want to use your own, click the Wealth HyreCar link in the description below, and that way you can use the HyreCar along with the Wealth Dasher and still make $500 to $1,000 plus per week. I'd like to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500? Click the Be Free link in the description below, then click Sign Up. If you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, click the Cashback link in the description below. Now, first I'm going to show you an updated version of my first week's earnings. It's something I forgot to tell you in the other video, okay? That was included in my earnings that I'll show you right now. Now, if you look here, my first week's earnings, you'll see this. This is an incentive bonus when I first started. I'm not sure if that was just I came in at the right time, or was this for when you first sign up and start delivering for Walmart Spark. I'm not sure what this is, but what it was is I did 5 deliveries and they gave me $50. So literally after your first 5 deliveries, or after 5 deliveries, they paid me $50. Okay, so that's what this is right here. This is that bonus. All right, and also I had $187.78 in deliveries. That was the delivery pay. And I had $122 in tips, plus the $50 incentive for the 5 deliveries. Okay. They also recently had a delivery. They had an incentive of $3 per delivery from, I think it was 5 to 7:59. So from 5 p.m. to 7:59 p.m., they paid $3 on top of each delivery, and that was during the Super Bowl. Yeah, that was during the Super Bowl when they paid that. I believe they also paid it during an All-Star weekend as well. I believe they paid it for All-Star weekend. 5 to 7:59, paid $3 per delivery. But anyway, so that's what I just wanted to show you. I want to show you this. I got $187.78 for the delivery fee. Tips was $122, and I have the incentive bonus for 5 deliveries of $50. Okay. So now I'm going to get into the branch situation. So when you download the app, okay, you're going to go and you're going to download the app. You're going to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Okay, so you're going to go to the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, and you're going to type in branch, and it should come up. And the logo looks like a leaf or something, and so that'll be the branch app, and you download that. Okay, so you download the branch app, and you're gonna sign in using your credentials that you used for when you signed up. When if you watch my first video, when you sign up, you enter email address, enter code, and all that stuff like that. It's gonna be a code you set up to log in, and every time you do something, you're gonna use that code, and I'll show you as I go through this. I had to type in the code, and boom. So once you download the app, you use those credentials, that'll be you, and it's already set up because they actually had everything set up for you. All you had to do is just log in and match your information what they already have in the system, and then you're going to create this code. All right. So now, once you're here, you're going to see your balance. This is the balance right here. Okay. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click Move Funds. That's the minus sign. You add funds here, and you click Move Funds. Okay. And you see right here it says Paycheck. This is what's going to already be there. It's going to be ready to go. And this is what DDI sent over to branches. You see it says DDI 1. Okay. So you're going to click Move Funds. Okay. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to click Move Funds. Now once you click Move Funds, you're going to pop up here. Okay. And you'll be able to move the money to a debit card. It'll be the debit card that they send you. It'll be the branch debit card. And I also have cash back and discounts, things like that with this debit card. But if you want a debit card, you can use that. I prefer to have it moved to my business bank account. So I chose another bank account. You can also use the ATM. But you use the ATM, you're going to still need this card. So I guess that kind of wouldn't make sense. You're going to still need the branch card. All right. And so I don't understand why this is even here, because you're going to use the branch card as ATM, but whatever. So I'm going to move the funds to my bank account, and so I click this right here. It'll take you to the next step. Now here's the next step. All right. The next step is Plaid. Many of you know about Plaid already, especially if you signed up through things like when I showed you how to do the PPP, and you had to use Plaid to link your bank account so they can automatically send the funds there. So that's what Plaid is about. So you're going to use Plaid to set up everything through branch, and it's self-explanatory. They walk you through everything. All right. Once you do that, they're going to ask you what bank you're going to use. With Plaid, they have just about almost every bank there. And so, of course, I chose Navy Federal. You're going to choose your bank. And to sign in, you're going to have to use your username and your password to sign into your bank account to link it. All right. So that's pretty much all you're doing. You're just signing in to your bank account through Plaid to link it to branch. And that way, they'll have access to send the funds over to you. So that's all that pretty much is. All right. So once you log in, once you sign into Plaid, when I sign, you're going to click the link, and they're going to have a drop down menu of the different banks and credit unions, and you choose the one you want to use. All right. And once you do all that, it's going to say success, and you're going to be already linked. Right here it says you successfully linked your account to branch. And that's it. So then you're going to click continue. All right. Now here, this looks like Cash App to me, okay? And what you're going to see up here, you're going to see the amount that you're going to transfer. This is the amount that was paid to you from Spark. So right here is $359.78. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in $359.78. It's going to show up here just like it does a Cash App. If you use Cash App, you know how that goes. So here it is right here. All right. You see $359.78. Remember I said it looks like Cash App. And what you're going to do, you're going to make sure all of this match. You know, this is the wallet for the branch wallet that your money is in, that DDI sent it to. And over here is your bank account information. All right. And there's no fee for this. It's free. Okay. And once you do that, you're going to swipe up. All right. Right here it says swipe up to move. So once you swipe up, that will actually process the transaction, and the money will go from the branch wallet to being deposited into your bank account. All right. It's almost instant. You'll see it the next day. So you're not gonna see it that day, but you'll see it the next day. So it's pretty much less than 24 hours. or whatever time you do it. So it's going to be processing the next day in your bank account. Okay. What it does for me with Navy Federal. I'm not sure about your bank, but for me with Navy Federal, once I swipe this up and it's moved, it'll be processing in my bank account the next day. Okay. So once you swipe up, this is what it's going to say. It's going to say making money moves. $359.78 will be removed from your branch account and moved to your Navy Federal Credit Union checking account. You're going to have the last four of your account number here. They say within 3 to 5 business days. Again, with me with Navy Federal, it actually processed the next business day. Was processing within the next business day. So I'll see the money in my account within the next business day. You come up out of there and you'll be right here. You'll see that your balance is 0 now. And down here, you'll see that it says branch account unload to ACH. Disperse funds from wallet to bank. So that's where you'll see this right here. All right. So that's pretty much it. It's not nothing major. All right. It's not nothing major. It's actually very simple. Once you download the app, you can go straight into doing this. Okay. All right. This will walk you through when I receive payments. And I already told you that you'll receive your payments within the next business day once you go through all this. But GDI sends the payments every Tuesday. So pretty much every week you get paid with Spark. So it's just like everything else. It's every Tuesday. It's not necessarily on Monday. Like they'll process everything with DoorDash, things like that. They'll do it like on a Monday or something like that. But with Spark, everything is done on Tuesday. So you'll just be able to go into the app and you move everything yourself. That's the only thing I don't like about it. With all the other apps, everything is automatic. They do it for you. With Spark, you have to actually move the money yourself, which is okay. You just got to remember to do it. All right. So I already know. I program myself to know that, hey, every Tuesday I got to go check that branch app. As a matter of fact, they send you notifications. So it's a notification to come up, say, hey, you got funds, transfer it, whatever. But I always just go in there anyway. I know Tuesday, right around like 5, 6 o'clock on Tuesday, I go in there, I check, and I move the money. And every time I move my money, I'll make a video so you'll see me moving my money every Tuesday, okay? So I do just want to show you my funds. Here it is right here. It was deposited into my Navy Federal bank account on the 9th, all right? So you see here it says 2/9/2022 deposit branch messenger move funds $359.78. So it's actually deposited into my bank account, like I said. All right. But anyway, hope this helped you out. Hope this walkthrough was what was informative for you, and now you know how to do it. It's not hard. Once you go ahead and you set up the account through your email, because when it's time for them to pay you, your first payment, they're going to send you an email and say, hey, your wallet was set up for you within branch. So go ahead and open that account. So you click the link, go in there. I walked you through it in the last video about setting up for payments with Spark. You set that up, and then you download the branch app. You download the branch app, use your credentials, your account details, sign in, and get to going after that. All you gotta do once you set up your that's already set up. So you already got the password and stuff set up. So once you download the app, you can just go ahead automatically and just boom, start doing this. I literally downloaded the app, logged in with my credentials, and I moved my funds all within about 5 minutes. So it's very simple. It's that easy. All right. Again, hope this information helped you out. Hope now you know how to move your funds and get paid through Spark. Thanks for watching. If you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth HyreCar link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. If you would like to get cash back while shopping online, click the cash back link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.